Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide. In this video we're going to be taking you for a tour of our room here at the 4-star superior Hotel Bell Rock, which is located at Europa Park here in Germany. Now Hotel Bell Rock opened in 2012 and it features a New England theme, and as we can see from the front of the hotel, it's very grand in terms of the building itself, very majestic, and it's also got the lighthouse that we can just see there as well. So in this video I'll take you through a little walk through some of the public areas, and then also we'll make our way upstairs and to our bedroom so we can show you all the different decor. Charlotte's inside, so yeah, let's make our way into the 4-star superior Hotel Bell Rock here at Europa Park. So the ambience that's created in the Europa Park hotels is absolutely wonderful. As you can see out the front here, you've got the little waterfall and also all the planting here as well, which is very, very nice. And we look up to the top here, obviously the big clock up there with Hotel Bell Rock just on the front of it. So we'll make our way around this way. I'll put my face mask on. We'll make our way into the hotel. Right then, so we just made our way inside Hotel Bell Rock. And here's a little look inside the lobby. As we can see, it's got a really, really nice theme to it, the New England theme, which is wonderful. And we'll head up the stairs just here shortly. Let's go up to our room, but yeah, very, very nice. All the decor, the lighting. It's got such a lovely atmosphere. You've got the reception area just off to the right there. There's a shop here, and there's also 2 restaurants, I believe, inside the hotel as well. You do also get breakfast included. There's a little look at the bar. Of course, we are filming this during the coronavirus pandemic, so there is some changes in terms of markings on the floor. And to get to the bar, you'd normally go through them doors, but you actually make your way outside. So I'll take you for a little walk around here, just so you can see the outside of the back of the hotel first, before we go up to the room. So here we are then, out the back of Hotel Bell Rock. And this is absolutely gorgeous here. So you've actually got Water Fire, which is a fountain show that takes place here on the water every 30 minutes throughout the evening, which is absolutely wonderful. You then got the lighthouse just over there. You've got various different suites that make their way up the lighthouse, including one right at the top, which is the John F. Kennedy suite, with fantastic views across the hotel resort and of course all across Europa Park as well. But the ambience is great out here, and they've actually got a bit of a tide going on here. They've got all different sound effects down the side, and it's nice because the boat just moves up and down and the waves come across. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Even better when the sun's shining like it is today. That's the Captain's Finest restaurant over there. We've also got Amalite, which is a Michelin-starred restaurant. And this is all the bar area down here as well. So yeah, very, very nice. Our room is actually right up there in the top corner. So Charlotte's in there now. We'll make our way inside and head upstairs to our room here at Hotel Bell Rock. Right then, so I made my way back inside the hotel now here. We'll carry on walking around this way to get to our room. Of course, there's loads of different elevators that take you up to the different levels, but I quite like walking the staircase just here, especially with all the decor around. It's absolutely beautiful, all the decoration that you can see, the lighting, the background audio, everything is really thought about. And here's the atrium just here, all the different floors, and we can see right up to the top there. Make our way around this way to the right. Just all the little details, all the little finishes, what they put into place here, which is wonderful. A little look down there towards the bar area where we were just, so we walked around that way. And we'll carry on down this way, down the corridor towards our room. You've also got background audio that plays here as well, which is really relaxing. So as we carry on down the corridor just here, we take a left at the big clock. As we can see, there's all lighting on there as well. Lots and lots of different items to look at throughout Hotel Bell Rock. And we make our way down this way to get to our room. So just thought I'd point this out as well. They've actually got vending machines on all of the different floors, which is great if you just want to have a quick drink in the night and come and get something. Coke, Fanta, water, all available there as well. So to make our way down this way, we get to our room. So the room that we're staying in here at Hotel Bell Rock is 6241. So let's knock on and let's see if Charlotte is here. And here she is. Okay, so welcome to our room at the 4-star superior Hotel Balrock in Europa Park. So we'll start off with the room that's closest to the door, I guess. Give you a bit of a tour. This is the lavatory, the toilet. So you might think this is very, very small. Well, this isn't the shower room, bathroom.
No, it's just the toilet.
Literally just the toilet down there. So here we can see you've got a little private sink in here. There's a mirror off to the side as well. And then let's get that good view of the toilet there. Fantastic, there you go. The quality toilets here in the Balrock. But yeah, that's its own little room, which is quite handy, especially for in the middle of the night, isn't it? It means that the toilet's separate, it's out the way, and it's furthest away as well from the main part of the bedroom.
That's a nice storage area.
Yeah, so loads of storage area. As we can see up the top there, you could fit a couple of cases. Same down here as well. Of course, that's like your wardrobe. All different hooks here as well. And on the back of the door. This is the air conditioning system that we can see up there as well, all the different levels, and of course there's some information about that just above. And it is one of the hotels where you need to have your key card in to actually activate the electricity here as well. You do get given a couple of key cards when you check in, so you could leave one in all day if you wanted power, and that's what I normally do to keep the laptops going.
But they got these lovely beds, which are shaped like beds.
These are fantastic. So I'm quite surprised we haven't actually slept in these because, well, you never know. There's still tonight. We might have to slip into one of these boat beds. But these are absolutely brilliant. Like, look at this. Like, I think it's fantastic. The decoration of these, really nice. They've got little lights on as well, so you can just fit them on individually, actually on top of the units. And yeah, this is a big boat down at the bottom. Obviously, we're using that for our cases, just a bit easier. Of course, with there only being two of us in here, we don't need to have the cases off to the side. There's space for that there, but we'll get a better view of those when we move into the main part of the bedroom.
Come on into here.
Here we go. So just ignore our swimwear. We've just actually been to the hotel swimming pool that is included when you come and stay here at Balrock. So here we go. Here's a little look then at the shower area just there. I'll open the door. So yeah, let's look at the shower. Really nice, powerful, high quality shower, and you've got all the Europa Park branded shampoos and body wash and all that sort of stuff as well. But yeah, as you can see, you can actually see through into the main bedroom, but don't worry about that. There is a little shutter that pulls across. Here we go. What have we got?
And this smells absolutely divine.
Get some hand sanitizer.
It smells really nice.
Premium stuff.
It is premium.
You got this mirror that comes off and you can see me vlogging. Yeah, it's like a zoomed inside. Along with the fancy mirror, as you can see, you've got the little glasses just here as well. They actually say Europa Park Hotels on the top just there. All sorts of storage down here as well, so you can open these up. As you can see, there's a couple of towels in there. There's a bin in that one, and this one also opens up as well. You've got all these different tissues. There's also a hairdryer in here as well, some hooks up on the side. And of course, you get fresh towels. They come in every day. We've had 2 nights here at Balrock. They come in every day and change over the towels. Right then, shall we shut that off?
So you've also got more storage in a safe.
Loads of storage here at the Balrock. I mean, you could fit suitcases in there, or you could just put your pyjamas in there, or that sort of thing. We're quite sort of, you know, we've literally put it all in the case because we're moving to Colosseo for tomorrow night. We didn't sort of want to get everything out and repack it again. It's just easier, isn't it, really?
Welcome.
Here we go. So you pull this shutter across, and you're into the main part of the bedroom now. So we'll start off. We'll spin back round this way, just so we can get a better view of the boat beds. They are fantastic, aren't they? You know, I can't think of another hotel where you could sleep in a boat bed, and like they're fantastic. Like the fact they stick out this side as well. They're not just like shaped like them on the side. The actual front of them here is absolutely fantastic, and the overall decor is very, very nice. It's like you're on like a cruise ship or something, with all like the darker colours round to the side, the wooden panels, and then of course the really nice stripy wallpaper as well. So here's the main bed that we've got here. Something what they tend to do in hotels in Europe in general, not just Europa Park or at theme parks, is to actually give you 2 different quilts. We mentioned this down at Phantasialand at Hotel Matamba, and we really like that because it just means that
love it.
yeah, it's great, isn't it? Because you're not, no quilt hogging goes on. You know, it's much better. But yeah, of course you got your pillows there as well. You don't get broccoli just over there.
No, broccoli's not included.
You need to check out our day 1 vlog from the park to find out about broccoli, because let's just say he came on a few rides with us, didn't he? Came on a few rides at the park. Just looking in the mirror over there, look up here at the top, got a nice Balrock branded lampshade just up there as well. Very nice, with the 4 stars and the S for superior next to it. In terms of the bed, very, very comfortable. It's nice and big as well, plenty of room. And again, it's actually branded, it's engraved just over here with Balrock. Very, very nice. Got this big map up at the top. Of course, the hotel's themed around New England. So you've got downtown Boston there as a map. At the side of the beds, you've got the little cabinets. There's plugs at the side of each bed there. There's plugs at the bottom. There's plugs over there. There's plugs at the top. Some by the door.
Plugs in the bathroom.
Plenty of plugs all the way around. And yeah, we've got some nice Balrock branded curtains here as well, with a few different pigeons on there. Seagulls, pigeons, the Atlantic Ocean. Balrock, and yeah, we'll get the window open actually in just a second so we can show you the view, some more of the pictures that you've got. So yeah, the good thing with these windows, they open fully, or you can also tilt them side to side as well, which is good if you don't want the full thing open. But here we go, here's a little look outside at our view from the Hotel Balrock. So as we can see, we've got some other people's little balconies down here, and we've got a great little view looking out. That's the main bell tower itself. Around here to the right hand side, this is all the extended bar area. We can see down the bottom there, that's actually the fountain show. So you can see the fire just over there in action. The fountain show that goes off every 30 minutes. The swimming pool is actually just here to the right hand side, as we can just see the edge of it there. And Hotel Colosseo just over the water there as well. And that's where we're actually going to be staying tomorrow. As we can see a little look out there as well. You can see up on the roof, that's like a little bird's nest what they put in for like some of the local birds to come to, which is quite nice. We'll come around this way. There we go. Close the window up. Really good soundproofing as well.
And you've also got the shutters.
Yeah, so here we go. So if we hold the shutter down, the shutter actually lowers down, which is great because I like it really dark when I sleep.
Yeah.
And it's brilliant because you can bring these right down and of course close your curtains as well. But there we go, you've got the little shutters. Over here you've got a desk area. Of course it's all set up with my laptop just here at the moment. Of course that doesn't come with it. However, what you do get, which is quite nice, is this very authentic telephone just over here. I mean, this is really nice with all the buttons on there. I mean, look at this. Very old-fashioned, authentic telephone that you get. And then of course, along with that, you've got the TV itself. It's not a massive TV, it's just sort of a standard size, I'd say, really, for a hotel. But yeah, you've got various different channels on there, all sorts available, including some Europa Park channels as well, which are available in German, French, and English. So yeah, of course, there's an actual English channel on there. It gives you English channel, that's funny. It gives you all sorts of information on there about Europa Park resorts and everything that's available. But yeah, it's a very, very nice bedroom. I think the flooring's really nice, the decor. I like how it's got a bit of a rustic feel to it as well. So obviously, like the floor, you know, it's purposely got like little markings on to give it that bit more of a rustic feel. Same with the finish over here on the bed as well. You can see, you know, it's got like this little chipped effect just to give it that bit more authentic feel that it's got like you're on a boat. But no, it's very, very nice here at Hotel Balrock. And like I say, this won't be our only hotel tour that we're doing from Europa Park. We're going to be staying in Colosseo tomorrow night and we're really looking forward to it. So as standard, really what you'd expect from a hotel like this, you've also got free high-speed internet connection, really nice and easy to log on to. You don't really need to put any details in, you just press a button to confirm and then you're straight in with the internet. Along with that, the swimming pool, very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, the swimming pool's really nice.
Yeah, we had to wait a little bit this time. Of course, we're filming this during the coronavirus pandemic, and of course things have opened again, and the swimming pool at the moment, you're only actually allowed 60 minutes in there, and there is a bit of a queue to get in. We've waited maybe 15-20 minutes to get in because they've got to take some details and all that sort of stuff. Completely understandable, but of course if you're watching this in the future, fingers crossed we're at the stage in the world where we don't need to do that anymore, and yeah, you'll be able to go in for unlimited times. It's like the pool's normally open from I think 7 in the morning till 10 at night. At the moment that's also limited from 3 until 9 o'clock. So you know, it's just limited stuff, but the pool is included and it's very, very nice. There's a fitness centre here, there's 2 bars, there's restaurants and all sorts of other facilities also available here at Balrock as well. It's free car parking looking right out the front of the hotel, and also, just thought I'd put it in there is actually a Lidl supermarket right opposite the hotel. You might be thinking, hang on a minute, like you're in Europa Park, but literally the park is connected to this town called Rust, and in Rust there is a Lidl supermarket, literally 5-minute walk out of the hotel. So if you want to pick up some drinks and that sort of thing and bring them up to your room or take some bits into the park, you easily can do. I think I've covered everything there, really.
So,
but there you go, that is our tour of Hotel Balrock, the 4-star Superior here at Europa Park. And we'll also be filming a tour of our room at Hotel Colosseo as well. Another 4-star Superior hotel that they've got here. It's got an Italian theme, and we've actually paid for an upgrade, so we look into the little piazza area as well, which will be really nice, and we'll share a video of that here on Theme Park Worldwide. Thanks for joining us for another vlog and a room tour here on the channel. And that means it's time to cue those credits. Bye bye.